It's the closest one to the vehicle
Why?
store.
You want to fix the wheel? Should we fix the wheel?
Nah, I'm
Maybe just
50%.
fix it.
I'm 50% health.
I got a med kit. Alright, we gotta hook it from here. Yeah, let me heal you.
Ow.
Bad driver.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Oh, we're walking, or?
This is right
No.
here.
Hold it, my view's stuck. I can't. I'm zoomed in. I can't get out. Oh. Alright, there we go.
You repaired the car already?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You can suffer.
I got this nice straw
Yeah.
hat to protect me from the heat.
Nice job, bud.
Fedoras.
Is there a chopper?
No, it's saying it's just something running. It's a go-kart that's running over there.
Oh.
Alright, I got 11 grand. What should I get?
You should buy a taco.
A taco? What kind of taco?
Yes. The most expensive taco. Oh, dude, it's unlocked!
The go-kart? Yeah.
Wee-hee!
I could almost get a medical taco. Or a repair taco. Transport taco.
I just tapped that building and it really hurt me. Wow.
I don't know why I would... Why do I want a taco? These things are all, like, useful. All we need to do is transport people.
Woohoo! I don't know. Arca probably is your best bet. Or... I like Orcas. They're my favorite.
Yeah, I just bought an Orca. Driving around a go-kart. Can you put that in the helicopter?
I wonder. Why'd you get it white?
Because people think it's a cloud, and they don't shoot us. It's just a friendly neighborhood cloud.
Oh, you have to unlock the... Oh, dude! He went in!
That's awesome. There's invade bases with a go-kart.
Uh-huh. Shadow away.
You're... Shadow, you here? What's going on?
I'm just waiting for you guys
Oh,
to
the car.
break something.
We're good, we're good.
That was a long time ago, man.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
We're waiting for you.
Alright, let me drive up there.
Sure, you're a good pilot, right?
I'm a real good pilot,
Yeah,
but why'd you buy an expensive one? We're just gonna go drop off and do a mission, right?
This is the cheap one.
Oh, okay.
Dude, Orcas are amazing.
Yeah, they're cheap, that's great. And you don't run into the propeller. That happens to me all the time. Or the back propeller, whatever it's called.
Really?
I get out and I just
Where are
turn
we
around
going?
and just run into it.
We're going...
No money,
Can I get over it?
Back
Where are
right
you?
up on left. You still get back out.
Agios.
Who's next to Agios?
I got stranded here when we landed that other helicopter and got killed by the money shipment people.
Seen some shit.
Yeah, I seen 2 people get killed into the point of leaving the game. Rough stuff.
I like this white helicopter. Looks cool.
It's good if
We're a cloud,
people's,
man. We're a cloud.
people looking up in the
It's a
air is
cloud.
harder to see.
Yeah, exactly.
Try to get north of Agios, because I think there's people inside the city.
Which one was it, the earplugs? End or delete?
And
And
It's all good. I like flying low, but every time I do, I manage to hit telephone wires.
yeah.
Alright guys, so there's 4 of us. Do you guys want to join the ShadowSniper lottery?
negative.
What?
So are you gonna kill me?
No,
You flip a
What?
coin kind of.
it costs 10,000 to play, and a random winner will win 20,000.
What?
If all 4 of us puts 10,000 in a pot, that's 40,000, and one of the 4 will win 20,000. The other goes to my clan. So you have a chance.
Yeah, no. That seems like a scam.
Yeah, fuck the king.
No, you could win double.
Oh,
that's a jet.
Fucker, you gotta help us.
Why does the flares never do shit?
You have
Yeah, I don't know.
you have to spin your helicopter and dive at the same time.
Oh, I was going to do something, but that was just an inevitability of crashing, like usually.
Oh, brother.
I hate that.
Fucker, there's a White Hawk down. You gotta secure the area of the White Hawk down.
Yeah, get in there. Get in there
Instructions.
before we spawn.
Definitely, because I have to get my thermal scope. I don't.
You know what's the sad thing? I feel like I have a better chance of evading missiles with a Chinook than I do with a frickin' any other helicopter. It seems weird like that.
So do you want me to do what?
3
Get
enemy
in the zone?
players.
You have to-
We gotta secure the White Hawk down.
on the way?
Yeah, the side.
How did you get in there if he wasn't
We just
even?
crashed. Look on your map, you can see it.
How'd you spawn there if he wasn't even in
They're peeking there.
Agios yet?
Are there enemies in the city?
I did spawn. I spawned pretty quick close.
Are there enemies in the city?
3 enemies.
One enemy, 2 AIs.
It's still not showing up for me.
I mean, near the helicopter.
Yo, Drew, wait up. I'm right behind you.
Should have been fired at.
Alright, 1 enemy, 2 AI still.
Then there's a base in here.
Alright,
There's a
somebody's
base.
driving. Somebody's driving through town.
That's us.
Ross.
I'm getting sniped at.
Yep, that's gonna happen. I think they're surrounded. We're surrounded. Whichever, however you look at it.
Wait, there's people surrounding the city?
Alright,
They're
guys.
Everywhere.
I'm getting shot at over
The
here.
helicopter.
I'm getting-
Shadow, get in. Shadow.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm having a zigzag.
Look behind you.
I cannot.
Look behind you. Look directly behind you.
I
He's
cannot.
literally on you.
I cannot. If I stop to get in, he'll kill me.
Dude, he's not gonna
We're
get
blocking his fire right now.
in. Dude, calm down and get in. Get calm under pressure, dude. Holy fuck.
I gotta-
Man,
Okay,
Yeah,
here
get
we're
some
blocked.
morphine.
I gotta get my thermal.
Get some morphine before you're shot up. Chill the fuck out. They're everywhere now.
It's to the right.
You need to grab a gun to get out of here.
On the hill?
They built a base in town, I know that.
Oh, he's.
He's got a 50. He's on the hill. He's got a 50.
Oh, I hit the treat myself. I can't stop.
Shit, where's my body?
He's got a 50 on the hill.
Where on the hill?
Well, if he's in a 50, then he's in a truck. I'm going to kill him.
No, a lynx, man.
Oh. That's a 12.7. Is that the
Where
same?
at?
It's a 50 cal. It's the
Here's 50 cal.
Okay, what was that?
What are the odds you can go into the town and use like general store and shit?
I'll go ahead. It's okay. Hey guys, I gotta
There's
find
a,
my body.
police in town.
What is blowing up in the middle of the air? Oh, he's shooting RPGs at us, and they're not reaching. They're not long range.
Oh, he's pretty far away then.
Yeah, he's up on
He's
this
on the big
hill. Yeah, somebody needs to. Hey, he's gonna get pretty close next time. Somebody get a sniper rifle. If I can find my links.
I think I see him.
If I can find my links, I can take him out.
Yeah, I see him. I see him. He's hit the top of that far away hill.
What does that mean? Top of the faraway hill. Give me direction here.
Okay, I'm sorry.
220 degrees. Southwest, exactly.
Yeah, no. Yeah, tip of the hill.
Dude,
Mountain, whatever
who
it's
took
called.
my links?
It might be in the. Your body might be still in the chopper, so you need to.
Yeah, you might have to salvage.
Does nobody have a scope or you can take the guy out that far?
Yeah, I don't see him.
My
I'm
ammo-
looking at the top of
I
the
have a
hill.
gun, or I have a scope.
I have a scope. I have a sniper. I don't know where he is now.
I'm not sure 220 is where he is.
Alright,
Is
if
he
you-
on the rocks there?
Find the highest mountain.
He's 1.6 kilometers or 1.6 kilometer away.
How do you check that? I don't know how to check that.
Oh, I just marked the exact position he's at on the map. The waypoint.
Did he move? He's got to move, right?
Oh, there's my dead body.
I marked it on the map.
No, I shot there. Pretty sure that's where I'm looking.
Yeah,
If you're looking on that hill, if I marked it on the map, but that's where I
Yeah.
marked it is exactly where he is.
You see him?
He probably fell behind the hill then.
That's where the RPGs and the sniper shots are coming from.
Guys, we got a helicopter incoming. Get your Titan launcher out. There's a Titan missile on the ground, I think.
Yeah, I got a Titan. Where's the helicopter?
I don't know. Spread out, guys. I think it's south. I have to find this thermal.
If your body wouldn't be on.
Enemy coming, enemy
Enemy in
coming.
town. Enemy in town. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Walking out of town right now. He's thrown in. On him right now. He's in the house.
I didn't hear that. You
He's in the house right where the road. Right where the road turns into a sea.
He's in this house right here? I see him. He's behind the wall there.
I could force this rocket to shoot in there if you think he's in there. I kind of want to save it. Hey, there's a landmine in the road.
He's down.
Oh, nice.
Oh, did he try and run out at you? What does he have? Does he have a... Oh, he's got a rocket.
Dude, we got a explosive satchel in the middle of the streets. Any engineers here? Drew, I think, yeah, you are, aren't you?
Yeah, I'll get it.
It's next to Texas. I really think somebody
What?
took
On
my
the
gun.
bag, are you? Yo,